Hello and welcome to this course on the fundamentals of the Spring Framework for Java development. 60% of Java developers create their main applications using the Spring Framework. Spring Framework plays a crucial role in enterprise application development by enabling the creation of efficient, maintainable, and scalable solutions. In this course, you'll learn to apply core and advanced Spring concepts, including dependency injection, bean configuration, and aspect-oriented programming. You will also build scalable web applications, secure them with Spring Security, and create production-ready applications with Spring Boot. This course is designed for software developers who want to master the Spring Framework. It is also suitable for experienced professionals looking to enhance their application development skills and students aiming to build a strong foundation in modern Java-based frameworks. A basic understanding of the fundamentals of Java programming, including object-oriented programming, is essential to help you grasp and apply the Spring Framework. You will begin the course by learning the fundamentals of the Spring Framework and exploring its core components and ecosystem. You will set up your development environment with tools like IntelliJ and Maven, gaining the knowledge needed to create and manage basic Spring projects. You will also learn key terminologies and concepts, building a solid foundation for advanced Spring development. Next, you will dive into Spring Boot to create and configure projects using Spring Initializer and build REST APIs for dynamic web interactions. You will also explore controllers and annotations, which will equip you to develop robust web applications. You will then learn to build interactive web applications using Spring MVC and secure them with Spring Security. You will set up Spring MVC projects, integrate dynamic content, and manage user input through web forms. You will also explore authentication and authorization, effectively protecting your applications. Finally, you will apply your skills by developing a secure online quiz application using Spring Boot, Spring MVC, and Spring Security. By completing this project, you will gain practical experience and be ready to use your Spring skills in real-world scenarios. Upon completing the course, you will receive a certificate that highlights your competence is using the Spring Framework. To get the most out of this course, watch all the videos, review the readings, and complete the quizzes and lab activities. Apply the hands-on skills you gained through the final project and complete the final assessment to solidify your understanding of the Spring Framework. Thank you for taking this course. We're excited to be part of your journey with Java programming and Spring Framework. Let's get started.